Alright guys, the time has come. Transmission is going to come out. Going to start the Allison swap. So as of tomorrow, there will be no longer a 4L80 in this thing. Finally. So let's take it for one last drive, and I'll see you then. Alright guys, just here on a little test run. We'll see what she's got on one last pull. Let's see what happens. May have to wait on this one to come by here. We are out in Mexico. Alright, should be good to go here. Still got plenty of beans left. Be the last pull for, I bet, at least a month anyway. It's gonna take a while to get that Allison swapped in here. It's gonna be amazing to see the difference on it. We'll see you tomorrow.